Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and today I've got 3 cordless yard tools. Why cordless yard tools? Well, there's no gas to run out of, no more fumes, and they're a lot easier to maintain. Let's check them out. This is the Ego Power Plus blower, and a blower is necessary when you've got a yard to blow around the leaves and grass clippings, to clear off your sidewalk or driveway, even to dry off your car. And this one packs a punch. The air can come out up to 180 miles an hour, which is equivalent to some of the most powerful gas-powered blowers out there. This one's really great because it's got a few different ways to control the power. You've got a variable speed dial. You can turn it on low, squeeze out about 200 minutes of runtime on this. You can bump it up to normal power, which you'll get 90 minutes of runtime, or you can really amp up the juice with the turbo button, which you'll get about 15 minutes of runtime. It's got a 5 amp hour battery with the kit and some replacement tips here with the package. Find these at Home Depot for around $300. Remember, that is the Ego Power Plus blower. Here we have the Stihl GTA 26 pruning saw. Now, spring and fall are a great time to get out and prune your trees, and this is a great tool to use in those tough to reach spaces. Now, it's got a 4-inch bar, which makes it really great for smaller branches, and it's really nice and light. So if you're up on a ladder, I'd rather use this thing than a pruning shear or a bigger chainsaw. And it's a lot easier to use, much less effort to get rid of those branches. Now you can find these at Stihl dealers for about 150 bucks. That is Stihl GTA 26 pruning saw. Here we have the Craftsman V20 hedge trimmer. Now this has a 22-inch bar, which gives you 3/4 of an inch cup capacity between each tooth. And it also has this nice and handy saw tip, so if you're out trimming your hedges, you can cut about 1.5 inch thick branch with that and not have to put this tool down, go grab another one. It's also got this full bale handle, which makes it really nice to maneuver. You can switch your hands and cut vertically or horizontally. It also has a hook, so if you've got Craftsman's VersaTrack system, it pairs really nicely with that. Now you can find these at Amazon and Lowe's for about 150 bucks, and it comes with a charger and a battery. This is the Craftsman V20 hedge trimmer. So there you have it, 3 cordless yard tools that we at Family Handyman love, and we know that you will too. So we'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.